What's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our new 10 by 25 round limiter blocks into the new Sig Flux magazine. These are new by Sig. They are a 25 round P365 magazine for the Flux, but this magazine will also fit any of the 365 platform firearms. Great mag. It is 25 rounds. And this new block that we offer will block it to either 10, 15, or 17 rounds, depending on what you choose and what state you live in. What you're going to do, take your handy punch in the retaining plate, slowly remove the floor plate. The floor plate is going to be this whole sleeve part, so just be careful when you're taking it apart. Set that aside. Take the spring out of the magazine along with the follower. Okay. Set the body of the magazine down. Take the follower off of the spring, just like that. Take the block, stick it into the spring there. Put the follower right on top of the block, just like that. Okay. And then what you're going to do, take the body of the magazine. Take the body of the magazine and just bring it on back down onto the spring, keeping that follower in place. Okay, once you get that follower in place, you're going to push the rest of the spring body down into the magazine and put the floor plate on. Real quick though, if you want to epoxy this magazine shut, one of the easiest ways to do is to take a little epoxy and just put into this part right here. So when the floor plate and the retaining plate bond together, it's not going to go anywhere, okay? So push the retaining plate back in with the spring. Put the floor plate back on, and there you go. That will block a 25 round magazine down to 10 rounds. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to us at magblocks@gmail.com. We're here to help. Thanks, guys, and please rate this video.